guys, hope y'all doing well. Finally back with a video, and I'm heading out to a service call, and this is one of those unique calls, and basically they're telling me that the outdoor unit is making a weird noise when the heat comes on. So not sure what that's going to be, but we're going to head out and take a look, bring y'all along, see what we find. Y'all stay tuned. All right, if you want to go turn it on. Okay. Thank you. Oh, all right, guys, so we're here on the call. And basically, he said it was making some kind of electrical noise that he didn't know if it was a problem or not. Coming from this air handler. No vibration pads, so I had to basically rip this door off. So we're waiting on him to turn on the heat and see what it does here. Contactor pulled in for the heat strips. We'll watch it, see what it does, and see if it makes a sound. We'll monitor this guy and see if we hear something. Alright guys, so I got my power killed, and I was just told by the homeowner that he didn't hear it that time, but it doesn't do it every time, and it's right when it starts up when it does it. And he says it's like a bzzz. So I got to looking. This heat kit is using a contactor, and this noise that he is referring to, I've heard many times on a contactor that's getting burnt out or burn up. They will make this buzzing noise when, which y'all, I'm sure a lot of y'all have heard it even on an outdoor unit, on a bad contactor or something's going on with the contactor. So I'm gonna inspect this one and see if it has any evidence of making that noise, and looks like we might be replacing it. So here we go, we're gonna check it. Put this out of my way. Let's pop this cover off, guys, and we'll get this out of the way. Pop this cover off, and we'll inspect this contactor. Okay, it doesn't look too bad, horrible. That doesn't mean it's not going to do the sound that he's referring to. So let's actually pull it off the panel here and kind of check the coil on it. Alright guys, one more thing I'm going to test here. I'm just going to ohm this contactor out and see what it's reading. And just ohm it out and see what it's reading. So see if that may be an issue too. Alright, I'm reading 11.6 ohms, which is not bad, but that's definitely could be better. So I have decided, guys, since this is 99% of the time this sound he is hearing is the contactor on the heat kit. So this system is still under warranty, so I'm going to go ahead and change this contactor out of suspicion, just because of how many times I've seen this, and it's under warranty. So customer won't have to worry about paying for it. He'll just pay for the service fee, labor, and this should we'll test it and it should take care of his problem. So we're going to change it out. Y'all stay with me. All right guys, got my new contactor here, so we're going to proceed with changing it out and fix this problem for him. Mount it in here. Start swapping our wires. Not the best spot to work in, guys, but I'm trying to make do with it. All right, that's good. We'll pull our low voltage wires off, stick them on. Good. goodness. All right, there we go, guys. Just gotta pull my plugs back down and plug it up. There we go. Make sure them are tight. I'll go ahead and make sure all my other connections are tight. Good, 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 good. Uh-oh. See right there, one popped off. That's because it's loose. So let's fix that. Well, that is breaking on me. I'm gonna have to replace that one, guys. Alright guys, you can see on this, my spade fell apart. It's brittle for some reason, so I was able to find me a new wire. So I'm just replacing it with a brand new wire and calling it good. Good. Now we're back going nice and tight. Those are good. Alright guys, we should be about ready to test it and be done. Hey guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video. The footage I was able to get there. Pretty simple fix. I'm just changing out a contactor. I've heard that noise a lot. I know exactly what he's talking about. It almost sounds just like a buzzing noise. And it's when, you know, the contactor has an issue. It's not a firm connection or something like that. But anyway, got that one switched out, tested. It's silent as could be. So that one's back going. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see y'all on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.